We're going this way today. Today we're over at Swinley. It's been a bitterly cold morning, but as you can see, not a cloud in the sky and the sun is out, so it's going to warm up very rapidly, we hope. Here she comes. There she goes. Every time I put the camera on her, she stops running. Don't you, Bubby? Hey? Here comes the speed machine. I'll be going chasing birds. Doom, 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 doom. She just doesn't stop. She just does not stop. Just going to try and hunt it down. Always Mimi's going to scare it off beforehand. And she goes, yeah! That's her excited bark, although the bird's miles away. There's a bird there. It's going over to land. Oh, and there's our little chaser. That didn't really give me a heart attack going across that. And back she comes. But no slow, sedate pace for our girl. She comes in like 900 miles an hour. Oh, and now Minnie wants to play. We're having a bit of a zoomie. Oh, here we go. Straight into the middle of a war zone here, Bubba. We're right in the middle of training. Thankfully. Somebody's got the zoomies. Come on. There's my other little girl. There she is. Oblivious to the sounds of war. Cutting the trees down, Bubba. So we won't be able to go that way, which is a bit of a bugger. That looks very artistic, doesn't it? I wonder if it will come out on the camera. Sunbeam shining through as we go up here. Come on, Mara. Let's at least get your bum in the picture. This is her favourite place because all of the crows sit on the ground and then she can chase them. So she absolutely loves it.